Fig tree planter update. Sage is still growing. Thyme is still growing. I harvested a good bit of oregano and started the process of making oregano oil, and it grew right back. Rosemary is growing pretty fast. And this time last month, well, the 21st of August, I measured the tree and it was right here. Now it's up here. And let's see how many inches it has grown. It has reached 9 inches in a month. Well, it's a day off, so let's just say, you know, yeah, 9 inches per month. So it should be bigger than the trellis after a while. And the other fig tree is growing well as well. Grow your own food.